Alright, hey guys, Kevin here. This is going to be a much shorter video lesson than the subsequent one on the Analyze tab. The Analyze and the Trade tab are pretty much very similar to one another, alright? And what I mean by that is you can say if I want to construct a trade here, and I'm just going to go, let's do this. Let me go into the NASDAQ and I will say, let me just come into here and we will do analyze buying a butterfly. All right, so we'll just do something like that. So there's a risk profile. Now, the trade tab, you can accomplish the same thing, right? It opens up the same exact option chain. Change this to all. I can do the same kind of thing and I can say, all right, well, let me analyze buying a butterfly. And it's going to do the same exact thing. The only difference, and the reason why I like to spend the majority of my time in the Analyze trade, Analyze tab, is because then I can look at the risk profile analysis. I can look at probability analysis. I can say, all right, well, what if I want to start moving strikes around? The trade tab is really essentially for just executing your trade. So if I want to buy the butterfly right here, it loads it up there. All you have to do is hit confirm and send. Now, you can still adjust and you can move the strikes around based upon whatever you want to do, but all of this right here, the order entry tool subset underneath here, is the exact same that you get when you populate and when you bring this over here if you hit confirm and send. Alright, now if you hit confirm and send, what that does is that opens up the order confirmation dialog box, but if you create the duplicate order, now you see what it did is it opened up the same exact window as you already had opened up on the trade tab. So I like to, here's how I like to view it. I like to view it as the trade tab is a more direct approach. If you're going to just, you don't need to analyze anything, you're ready to transmit, you're going to send, you can go ahead and migrate over to the trade tab. Plus you'll also have some different features here, the active trader ladder, you've got some pairs trader. I'm not real familiar. I don't spend a lot of time in there, so I really can't comment and don't want to offer misinformation. But the trade tab and the analyze tab are very similar. You can execute and trade trades exactly from the analyze tab. Just understand that it's going to be quite similar, and you pull this up right here, and that's what gives you all these order entry tools. And again, it lets you change all these parameters. Don't forget, you got the little cogwheel over here too. You can add more conditions and rules to them. You can do the same thing there as you can on the Analyze tab, right? When you're creating the duplicate order, you get the same feature right there because it's opening up the order entry tool. All right, so let me know if that helps, and I think you'll find that combination between the trade tab and the analyze tab, you'll have more than enough opportunity to execute trades.